Saturday at Fox Body Rehab. Project Myrtle, T-5 swap. Well, got it gutted. Got my tunnel ready. I got to clean it up, the little extension, and separate it from the bottom half that is still on it. So, got to do that. Got the carpet out of it for the last time. We're going new carpet when we put it back in. And I kind of cheated a little bit. I know I didn't have to do this, but I sure like getting the original hole as close to possible, even though they varied throughout the years. They were very crudely cut anyway. So what I did a while back is I took out a piece from the T5 when I took the tunnel off of it. And I've kept this as a template every time I do a cut. So now I'm going to clean that up with a grinder, go around the edges just for fun because it's visible from the bottom. But I've got the right size diameter hole, and I just match up the divots in the body to the divots in my piece, and that's the cut. So everything there's got it covered. Now, like I say, it's just about cleaning up my cuts there and getting the hump extension ready, cleaned up and sanded, and then I'm going to reattach it after I separate a lot of this off of there, of course, so that I can weld it properly. And then I've got some spray insulation, some underbody coating actually, that I'm going to kind of mate that up. I've already got the automatic harness removed from the car. I'm going to get ready to put the T5 harness in. I've got the pedals already loose. I need to go ahead and get those swapped in. Even the original build sheet still under the two-piece. Unfortunately, it's so deteriorated I really can't read much, but it's still kind of neat when you find them. This car was an all-original car. I definitely was the first person to touch it since Ford did. Really solid car. So that's where I'm at now. Got all my pieces stacked up. Brand new headlights, brand new fog lights, the Saline or the Cervini Cobra spats for the front. Got the side skirts already. Like I say, the tail lights are already here. Brand new lights, housings, everything for 93 Cobra. I already have those side skirts. Wings on. Just got to modify the hatch to make it last, make it be there for good. Front bumper's taken care of with the Cobra grill insert on a brand new cover and a brand new header reinforcement panel. And then it's going to be time to do some body work and get this thing ready for paint. This is going to be bad to the bone. I believe we've got some 93 Cobra replica wheels coming polished. That's going to be really sweet. I'm pushing for dark shadow gray on this car as one color. Get rid of the two-tone and the 80 stripe. Tell me what you think. What would you do to this car? Keep in mind, this is an original owner car. They bought it brand new in '87 and have had it all these years, and it's been passed down from mother to son, and now the son's got it. We bought it from him a while back and got it running, and he had to have it back, so sold it back to him. Now we're fixing it up to his dream car. Give him some input. What color would you paint this car? Keep in mind, really, door jambs. I mean, we'll do the jambs, but we're not looking to do complete color changes, anything drastic. I mean, ideally we're staying silver. Anything that's going to make the engine bay look okay until that gets ready to get painted. So grays, silvers, that kind of colors. Dark shadow gray's always been a favorite of mine, and I've seen a few on Fox bodies, but man, a dark shadow gray 93 Cobra clone, whoa, that would look pretty sick. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. This is the latest installment of Project Myrtle. This is probably going to be the last. Today I'm going to try, like I said, to clean this up and get it ready for installation. And then I might hang the pedals, and that's going to be a wrap for this weekend. Start again on Monday. Hopefully by the end of day Monday, be able to drive this car as a manual transmission. I don't see why that's going to be a problem. We got a bunch of new parts should be here Monday early or tomorrow. So waiting on a pilot bearing, a throwout bearing, a flywheel, some other components that we don't want to run used stuff with. That's going to be all that's holding this up. Now with the floor mod already done and the pedals to be done today, there really isn't a lot more past that. The wiring harness will fall right into place after we clean it up. So we'll be ready to rock and roll her there. And yeah, we'll be driving this car pretty soon again. It'll be a lot more fun now. Anyway, guys, thanks for staying up with it. Keep posted for some updates. They'll definitely be coming soon. Have a great weekend. Later, y'all.